Alright guys, so let me fix that. So all the parts are starting to be dried off. Then we're gonna start putting back this back together some. I got some parts that aren't quite here yet. They'll be here tomorrow though. I just want to go ahead and start assembling pieces to this because like I got new grips, throttle cable, all that. Let's see what else. Like, I got a new sprocket coming in, new chain coming in. We got that torque converter, which we might go ahead and put on today. I don't know, we'll see if I can figure that when I get that figured out. I feel like there's one or two other parts I don't remember off the top of my head. I'll show you guys when they come in tomorrow. So yeah, time to start the reassembly time lapse. Woo! Alright guys, there it is. There's the paint job I've done so far. I actually like the way it looks a lot better on camera than it does in person. Okay, oh well, but I actually think it actually goes pretty well together. Then of course I don't want the engine on there quite yet, but yeah, it's coming together. So yeah, so as you see, I got the fenders on, the paint tank on, the seat on, the bars on. All that's left is the rear tire and the engine, which this is where I need to start trying to figure out how it all goes together. So yeah. Woo. So yeah, I know some people think it probably looks ugly as crap. Yes, the paint job is absolutely terrible, but it's not a show bike. I just wanted it to be different. It's definitely different. It's gonna stick out, and I love it. So yeah, debating if I. Alright, we're back today, guys. I'm gonna after the Forgotten Angels trip, I had to order parts, and they came in. As you can see, some nice little books of parts here. So I got the stage one as well as the sleeve I need for that, for the sleeve to go over this. So yeah, we're gonna kind of unbox it, show you guys. Although they sent me the wrong color, it should be here later today. Might get here by the time I'm filming this. So yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys those parts real quick. So got exhaust pipe, a muffler, got the sleeve with the key, cold air intake with the intake mount, new studs, gaskets, nuts and bolts, and spark plug and gaskets. And then, oh, and there's a couple of jets in there as well. Guess it's something with the throttle body. I gotta figure that out still for sure. And then brand new carburetor and fuel line. So the carburetors on these, they started making them EPA friendly. So the jets you cannot even remove. So yeah. Got all of that. So I think I'm gonna start with the sleeve so I can finish up the torque converter. And yeah. And we'll get on to removing the exhaust and the carburetor. Woo! Alright guys, so got that on there now. So it goes washer, spacer, then the flat drive, and this copper like bearing essentially, and then the belt, which is nice that on the belt they put, which like goes towards the engine, which I doesn't. So yeah, going to that next, and yeah, get it finished getting this all back together. Alright guys, so I'm going to kind of tell you about the issue I'm running into. So, it came with new hardware and stuff. Everything's worked out just fine. Until I go to put a bolt into here. Oh, those are too big. Found the old one. Get the thread in there. Cool. Awesome. Don't think it's going to be long enough. I haven't tried yet. Figure that out here in just a second. But that's the bolt they sent me to use. Yeah, see the difference there in length? So, yeah. I need to get another one of these bolts about twice as long, though. I might just go ahead and slap it together. Or slap it semi together to see if it would even work. So, parked here. Yeah, no, I don't think that's gonna come close. Might do a couple threads. So, once again, I'm being halted by stupid crap. I should have thought about that, especially with this kit becoming, or supposedly having already a 3/4 inch shaft, which I don't on this. So yeah, I need to go to a hardware store and get a longer bolt. I might go ahead and see if I have one in my bolt bin, but yeah, I don't think so. I'm gonna look anyway, just in case, because you never know what I got. So yeah, we'll be back at some point. Okay, so hey guys, well, a little bit later. Haven't gotten the bolt I need for this yet, but we have other parts. So, oh shoot, I forgot some in the house. Crap. So I did get the right filter and stuff in for the stage 1, and then for my birthday, and it also ordered me some parts of Amazon I ordered. So we got these MX style pigs. Oop. Which are, wow, it almost matches that. That's funny. But yeah, I threw it a little bit darker online, but you know, hey. So we got some MX style pegs. See if we can make these fit into there. And we also got some hand guards. So yeah, we work and see if we can put those on. And this box isn't open yet. Hold on one second. Some long stem mirrors. I'm gonna mount to this as well. So yeah, cause making this fun and safe. We'll see how it all goes. But yeah. Alright, so battery died. Well, I was unwrapping it, but some flexible, oh, semi-flexible mirrors. Yeah, we'll see how long these things last. They were cheap on Amazon, so. Oh wow, these even move in the. Okay, cool. So yeah, I'm gonna run out later, take her out on my hog. It's a beautiful day today. Yeah, take her out on it to go get that bolt later. But yeah, for right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I can. So start by removing the exhaust, and maybe hop around to the carburetor side and start working on that. So put you guys on the time lapse. Woo! Alright guys, so got some bolts and washers. So hopefully we'll finish getting this back together. Yeah. Let's get to work, I guess. Alright. I'm learning the hard way what happens when you buy cheap parts sometimes. So I had to do some look because the end of the throttle cable wouldn't fit into this. So I cut it off so I could stick it in there. And yeah. Now I'm just trying to get it to. There's a return spring that I didn't put on because it was being a pain in the rear, and it looks like we need to put it back on. Yeah. Having fun with this, so working on that right now, and then to get that done, as you guys can see, I got the choke on, the new air intake, exhaust, swapped out the spark plug. Yeah, so got a bunch done. That's the whole right now. I might take a break on that for a second and go work on putting this torque converter. Finish putting this torque converter back together finally. So hopefully I got the right size bolts. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so the camera died at some point yesterday when I was working on this, I don't know, but yeah, got the hand guards on, got the exhaust on, carburetor and air cleaner all on, everything's all done, I'm pretty sure, at least that's what I got parts for right now. So yeah, I think I'm gonna clean up, get some gas thrown in, and see if we can get started up and running. maybe do a little riding outside. We'll see. But yeah. Yes, I will say it looks absolutely ridiculous, especially with the handguards. But I don't care. Oh, the mirrors did not fit. These bars are too small for the mirrors. So I might have another project over there that they might work on. I don't know. We'll see when I get to it. But yeah. Go. Yeah, this is definitely a ridiculous thing. Oh, I gotta hook up the wiring and everything still. And zip ties. And yeah. See if she runs. So, woo! I'll zip tie wires and cables up, and we'll get back to it, I guess. So, yeah. I'm probably gonna, I will say this, let me come around here. Probably gonna eventually swap out that carburetor for common swap is like a Makuni, because I am not getting, like the throttle, it kind of returns itself, but when I twist it, yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with that. So yeah, it'll work for now. I might, like I said, I don't know if it's something with the throttle I got or what, but yeah. But yeah, just like I said, getting together. Just gotta plug in the headlight. Actually, the only thing I gotta plug in. Zip tie some wires up, and we'll be good to go. Woo! So yeah, let's get this going.